warm welcome one and all. We are from TAFE Tractors and Farm Equipments Limited from Paint Shop team. And this is the overall agenda of today's presentation, company overview, case study presentation and question and answer. Our vision is first choice among the farming community and growing presence in the international market. These are the some 7 core values. We are the third largest tractor manufacturer around the world and the second largest tractor manufacturer in the India. These are the some various products of farm equipments. These are the TAFE group and we belongs to tractor division. These are the overview of the Madurai operations plan. This is the some of the product we have produced in the range of 25 HP to 100 HP. This is the export model having the various variants supplying to all around the world. We are operating the cellular manufacturing. These are the some best practice followed in our plant. These are the some major awards got from external agencies. Then I am going to case study presentation. Our project is reduction of internal ppm in 2C2B painting line. This is the overall paint shop. Chassis painting, PTCD and 2C2B painting and top coat one. This area we have selected the project. The problem background is internal RFT in the overall tractor getting lost and tractor goes to unapproval. The approval of time getting delayed. These are the common defects of the paint defects. This is the some of the defects we have plotted in Pareto chart. Before going to proceed the project, we have evaluated the project by based on some criteria. Based on these criteria, the project viability is high. So we have proceed for further steps. Defined phase. The project scope is the rejection percentage is in increasing trend. We have to reduce the rejection percentage. This is our this Six Sigma project is linked with the department objective as well as CSF project. By implementing this project, by completing this project, the overall RFT of the tractor will be reduced by 0.5%. The overall RFT will increase to above 90%. This is the financial estimation. The cost estimated around 1 lakh rupees. This is the team charter. The goal statement is the current level of ppm is 48,000 ppm. We set the target to 30,000 ppm in terms of sigma level 3.1 sigma to 3.4 sigma. We have the time plan. This is the team. Muttaya is one of the team member. This is the Y-metric trend, that 2C2B rejection ppm. The rejection ppm is around 48,000. This is the schematic diagram of the overall process. The process starts from receipt and goes to pre-treatment and then applying a cathode electrode deposition paint and then going to primer painting and top coat painting. These are the areas we have problematic area and the defect is calculated in this inspection stage. This is the SIPAC diagram. We have covered all the process in this SIPAC diagram. This is the critical to quality. The voice of customer is a defect-free tractor and the online delivery of the tractor. Critical to quality is free from dust, rundown and some other paint defects. The voice of business is reduction of RFT loss. The critical to process is reduction of internal rejection by optimizing painting process. This is the qualitative analysis of the entire process. There is top coat one is the customer value added and inspection is the non-value added. Then goes to measure space. This is the P chart of the 2C2B rejection. The control chart shows the rejections are uncontrolled, not stable. This is the Pareto chart of the rejection. Based on the Pareto, we did a cause and effect diagram all the 17 measures we have taken from the cause and effect diagram. These are the measures of this process variables. From that we have prioritized using a ranking method. The team members are evaluating this all process variables. The above 25 ranking marks will taken for further analysis. Based on the ranking method, we are funneled down to 7 XS variables, process variables. All the process variables, this is the measures. Viscosity around 23 to 27 seconds. The paint flow rate should be 200 to 250 ml per minute. The air pressure should be 4 to 5 bar. Operator skill level should be Q4 level. Then these are the rejection dust count. These are the operation definition of X measures and Y measures. This is the data measurement plan for the Y metric. 2C2B rejection will be calculated daily with 100% sample. Data measurement plan for X measures. From the each X measures will be the different frequency and different sample size. Before we collecting the data, we did measurement system analysis. This is the MSA for application viscosity. The B4 cup we have taken for this analysis. The total cage around our steady variation is 9.75%. Hence, we have accepted this measurement system. This is the run chart for the application with respect to operator. These are the control chart for the same data. Likewise, we did for paint flow rate also. The steady variation is less than 10, hence we accept this measurement system also. Likewise, we did for air pressure also. After we did the measurement system analysis, we plotting the collected data. These are the data for application viscosity. This one is for paint flow rate and this one for air pressure. Then we are calculating the sigma level based on the process input process and number of defects unit. Based on that, with the conversion table, the sigma process is 3.1. Analysis phase will be explained by Muthiah.
Sir, based on the cause and effect diagram, we have funneled down to 7 axes from 17 axes. For all 7 axes, we have analyzed in the analysis phase. First one for the X1 application viscosity, we have done regression analysis with respect application viscosity with respect to rundown defect. Based on the regression equation, we found the optimum viscosity as 25.7 and the R square value is 62.1%. The same way application viscosity with respect to dry spray defect also we have analyzed, and the regression equation shows us 24.9 as optimum value and the R square value is 84.8%. So based on 2 defects, we concluded we taken 25 as a mean, and we have checked our population with a target of 25 using one sample t-test. And the p-value is 0, which is we have to accept the alternate hypothesis. So there is a significant difference from the viscosity from the target and our population value. The same way paint flow rate, we have done regression analysis. This is flow rate versus rundown defect, and the optimum value from the regression plot we have taken as 230 ml per minute. Then after that we check our population value with 230 ml. And using a one sample t-test, and the p-value is 0.017. So we have to reject the null hypothesis. So there is a significant difference from the paint flow rate from our target value. The same way air pressure also we have done one sample t-test and the p-value is 0. So there is a difference from the our target value and population value. For the fourth one, we have operator scale. This is a non-parametric, so we have done a box plot. In this box plot, operator Paul Pandey and Sendil has a huge variation, so we have to train both operators to minimize the variation. Also we have done a chi-square analysis to check the operator's age is affecting the paint defects. So and the p-value shows us is greater than 0.05. So there is no impact on, so we have to accept the null hypothesis. So there is no significant impact of operator's age on paint defects. For the x5, x6, x7, these are all we have taken as a dust, and for the dust it is a non-parametric value. So we have done a p chart, and the p chart is showing a subnormal condition. So it is also a significant cause. For the p chart, we have for the oven dust, we have done a quick win improvement. Earlier the oven will be cleaned by normal cleaning. Now it is changed to vacuum cleaning method, and the conveyor is cleaned once in a month. It is we have changed it into once in a week. Also we have cleaned jigs and plates once in a week, Sunday only. Now we have converted the Sunday shift into third shift. So daily wise 25 plates will be cleaned. So after implementing these improvements, we have plotted the p chart before and after, and mean value is getting reduced. This is a summary of our analysis phase. After that analysis phase, we have drilled down to 4 causes. So in these 4 causes, we have to take next level of improvement. So for these 4 causes, first one is application viscosity. The application viscosity can be controlled using 2 KE system, which is we have to implement the we have to feed the 25 second into the system, so that if any deviation from 25 seconds, the system will give alarm, so we can change. For the paint flow rate and air pressure, operator tend to change the value frequently. So we earlier there was no control. We have to provide any control to control paint flow rate and air pressure. Operator skill we have to train. For the first one, X1, we have introduced a 2 KE machine. It is a machine. It is a electronically controllable machine. It controls viscosity, air pressure, mixing ratio, and part life. If any deviation occurs, it is also work as a Poka. If any deviation occurs, it will give the error codes that is shown below. After that viscosity improvement, we have taken the 2 sample t test to check our to check any improvement is there. In the p value is showing as 0, so we have to accept the alternate hypothesis. So there is a significant difference between before and after of viscosity, and the mean value of viscosity is getting reduced from 26 to 25.3. For the paint flow rate, earlier there was earlier we have used Binks type, where the regulating key cannot be detached. So if after setting, operator can change the flow rate at any point of time. So after that we changed the regulator into Greco-Mech. In that Greco-Mech, we can after setting the value, we can detach the key. So there is no, so operator cannot change the flow rate. These are the improvement. So we have checked 2 sample t test to check any improvement is there or not. So the p value is also 0 for this test, and the mean value is reduced from 236 to 228 seconds ml per minute. As p value is 0, we have accepted the alternate hypothesis. Significant difference on paint flow rate with and without lock. For the air pressure, same type of improvement only. Earlier there was no key. Now we have introduced a key type of regulator. The same as we have done 2 sample t test, and also it is also a significant difference will be provided. For the X4 to improve the painting skill, we have 2 type of training method. One is offline training and another one is online training. For the offline training, we have created an SOP in colloquial language to better understanding of painters. During any breaks or a non-production day, operators can be taken for online training. Also we have a simulation kind of training also we have done. already this machine is available, but we by doing this project we taken the air pressure as 5. We have taken the sample parameters from the analysis and fed to the system and train our operator using that parameters. So this is our 4 months data of P chart for operator skill level improvement. We have taken only run application type of defects for P chart. The control will be explained by Arun.
All the actions we have improved. After improvement, we have standardized with the by updating the check sheets and other SOPs. This is the check sheet updated for application viscosity, paint flow rate, and air pressure. All the parameters are changed here. This is the check sheet updated for jig cleaning. Earlier we don't have a check sheet. Simply operator will clean and go leave it. Now we have provided this check sheet. This is the check sheet for oven and conveyor cleaning. After improvement, the sigma level increased to 3.4 sigma. This is the CTQ trend after improvement. Earlier the rejection percentage around 4.8% is now reduced to around 3%. This is the CTQ trend in terms of ppm. The rejection ppm is reduced to 26,000 ppm. This is the benefits, the tangible benefits. Internal ppm is reduced and OLE improved from 87% to 89%. The rework cost is reduced from and RFT, overall RFT is improved from 97% to 98%. Intangible benefits are on-time delivery and the customer satisfaction and the rework time reduction and the operator fatigue reduced. This is the project synopsis. This is the sign up getting from finance team. Overall cost saving around 1,58,000 rupees. These are the tools we have used. Thank you.
Good, very in-depth analysis and then a lot of tools he has used. Congratulations for that. See, you were mentioning now this originally 48,615 ppm and then that you wanted to target 30,000. But then subsequent figures are 28,000 and all that. Where is the difference actually?
Sir, the project is completed here itself, sir. March itself, sir.
Acha.
That is the average of February and March. They are taking February and 2 months data. After we sustained in this level.
Acha. But then this also you need to analyze. Say August. Okay, so how about September, October? Because there is some increasing trend. So that sometimes that gives a doubt. Your standardization, how good it is.
The project standardization in the December and January.
But these trends, you need to look at it again through daily management, why, because we don't know now the September and October how it is. Suppose that is early gone, we don't know. Then again we need to think about the solutions and then standardization, how good it is and how people are following. That skill improvement also,
Yes.
we need to look at it. Then the SIPOC diagram, when you make it, how it is actually helping you for this project?
It will help to take all the process. While we brainstorming the analysis, root cause analysis, all the process we have to include it. Without SIPOC, we may miss that some process.
And then
And
any
also
issues
the
are...
CTQ also may get missed.
these issues, dust rundown and oil
These are
marks.
the issues.
So those things are able to capture
Yes,
through this. That is one good thing. Then you also give the operational definitions.
Yes, sir.
How that is helping you to the team members?
Actually, for if application viscosity, sometime we told us 22, 24 from the tank. We have taken sometime from paint mixing tank. some of our staff will take only at the end of gun.
Achha.
So we have different type of
Understanding
definition.
will be
different.
So that you
From
are
the
trying to-
operational definition, we have standardized.
Standardize that, that's good. Then coming to 45 slide, let us say. What is that? This ranking, what is the basis actually? How do you decide? Because there are different people, now they,
These are the team members having a good experience in paint shop, and they are putting rank for 0 to 10. If the person called Ramesh, he is putting a 7 for condition of jigs and plates with respect to dust. These are the jigs and plates are the more contribution for the dust defect. So he put as a 7. Likewise, they are
But
based
anyway,
on their
luckily-
experience only.
luckily not much variation.
Yes.
But it is always better, the bottom if you can give some qualify, criteria.
Okay.
Suppose if it is like this, then I will give up to 2 or
Yes,
3.
yes, yes.
If it is like this, then I will give 5. Like that, up to 10.
Okay.
Some qualified criteria, so that
Criteria.
based on that they can follow. Here maybe the experience, but still, some common criteria if you give, they will also go by that definition. 53. Next, let me see. Operator. This is your done part of the MSA study,
Yes,
Of course, even though you got 9.5 is excellent,
Yes,
below
yes.
10% you got, that's true. But this, what do you call it? That variation, particularly these two guys.
So, no, sir.
What is this actually?
Blue color is 1% and
Correct,
Yes.
that's true.
yes.
But what is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Sir, this is one sample. This is one sample. We have
Achha,
given
okay,
5
understood,
samples.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Sample product variation.
Yeah,
that is.
product.
That's good. 98. Yeah, 90. Okay, you show me this. This for you trying to show the proportion of the defect has come down, but samples, number of samples you could have
Sir,
taken.
this is 100% sample, sir. This is 1 month. This is 1 month. There is no average of 1 month.
But all the points, if you can put, that will be good. It looks as if we have taken only 2 samples. Otherwise, it's good. Good, very good.
Thank you, sir.